She said, you have to stop fighting the undertow. I said, what do you mean? She's like, you right now are fighting the undertow trying to get back to shore. And she's like, you are fighting the outcome, which is eventually having to be with a man, which I didn't want to do. And then you have to stop fighting the journey, which is, am I going to have to stop doing this? Am I going to have to start doing this? Am I going to, like, this is all overwhelming. She's like, you have to stop fighting those things. You're fighting the undertow. She's like, let go, let go. I said, but if I let go, like I don't even know what that meant. Like, if I let go, I'm just not going to care. She's like, Amory, let go. When you let go, the undertow drags you out. But guess what? The waves, they bring you back in, and they bring you back in safely, and they bring you back into where you need to be. She's like, the Lord will bring you back. She's like, but let go of all of that. Let go of fighting everything to let go of this sin in your life. Come out of agreement with it. Get out of bed with the demons. Get out of this mindset of where you are, because it's not real.